Hello, welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. Today we are going to look at how we can use external CSS in our HTML file. So if you're having an HTML file, how we can link our external CSS file to it. That's what we are going to look at. So I have my HTML file here, and this is my external CSS code. So I'm going to use this one to provide the styling path for this HTML file. So first of all, let me open my HTML file. So I'm going to open it with a live server. If you don't know how to do it, you can then just go to the file where you save it, then you click on it to open it with any new browser or a web browser on your PC. And I've also made a video on how to open your HTML file with the live server. So you can check that one too out and know how to go about it. So this is my HTML file for now, or the HTML content. So I'm going to link my external CSS to the HTML content to provide the styling part. So when I come to my HTML structure, you see anything within this body is visible at the web page, and the rest that are not visible are within the header tag. Like the title is not visible on the web page, like here is the web page. This is the web page, the visible part. So you see the title is always at this side, that drop down menu as the title, so it's not visible at the page. Anything that's not visible goes to that side. So within that, that's where here I'm going to use the call the external CSS here using the link element. So the link element is one of the HTML elements that has only the open tag without the closing tag, one of them. So as we've learned about open tag and closing tag, the link element has only open tag and has no closing tag. Then it has two attributes too. The first attribute is the rel, which takes in the style sheet, and the other attribute is the href. That's the href attribute, and the href attribute takes in the name of the CSS. So the name of the CSS I'm going to use is menu.css. We know the href makes whatever we will give it to it makes it behave as a hyperlink. It's going to look at it's going to behave as a link that is to either take us from one page to another, or from something like when you click on a button, it takes you from one web page to another. That's what the href does. So here, when we click on it, then we are saying it should load the content in this menu.css into this our HTML file. So now I'm going to save and then refresh the page again. Now let me open it with the live server. So now you can see how the page looks like as compared to the previous one without the external CSS. So let me just start this external CSS and save it and see the page how it looks like. So you see, I open it with the live server, so anytime I save it, it will be automatically updated. I have a videos on how to open it with a live server. You can check it out. So I can then go back and implement my code back, my CSS file back. So when I save it and refresh the page, you see it has been automatically updated. And this is how we link the external CSS with our HTML file. We use the link element which has two attributes, that's the rel, which takes in the style sheet, and the other attribute is the href, which takes in the name of the CSS. And the href makes this one behave as a link to tell us that we want to load the content in this CSS file here into the HTML structure or file to make it function. So that's how we link HTML file with external CSS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, give your comments and share it for me. Goodbye.